just a quick update on my AR-15. I just installed the ELZETTA flashlight hold. This one is sporting a 120 lumen flashlight. I bought this at Lowe's. It's not bad at all, and it fits perfect, and it seems to be good enough for the task. It's all aluminum, great. 2-point sling. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I have a true glow, 2 colors, green and dot, sights with 5 positions for each color. That's it. Not much to be told. That's a 6 position collapsible stock. This is it. This AR-15 is looking for the ideal ammunition for home defense. And if you guys know of any ammunition that would do a great job, 62 grain or 55, any brand that you can share, please just stop by and leave a comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.